What are the differences between histogram and bar graph? Ans. Histogram. It is a two-dimensional figure. The frequency is shown by the area of each rectangle. It shows rectangles touching each other. Bar graph. It is a one-dimensional figure. The height shows the frequency and the width has no significance. It consists of rectangles separated from each other with equal spaces. When to use histograms? Ans. The histogram graph is used under certain conditions. They are: the data should be numerical. A histogram is used to check the shape of the data distribution. Used to check whether the process changes from one period to another. Used to determine whether the output is different when it involves two or more processes. Used to analyzes whether the given process meets the customer requirements. Explain right-skewed distribution. Also make a sample shape of right-skewed distribution. Answer. A right-skewed distribution has a long right tail. It is also called positive skewed distribution. That's because there is a long tail in the positive direction on the number line. The mean is also to the right of the peak. A right-skewed histogram looks like a lopsided mound with a tail going off to the right. What do you mean by random distribution? Draw a shape of random distribution. Answer. A random distribution lacks an apparent pattern and has various peaks. In a random distribution histogram, it can be the case that different data properties are combined. Therefore, the data should be separated and analyzed separately. Write in brief about dot plot. Answer. A dot plot is a simple type of data visualization used in statistics to show the frequency of data points. It consists of dots plotted on a single axis, where each dot represents one or more occurrences of a value in the data set. The position of the dot along the axis corresponds to the value it represents. Dot plots are particularly useful for small to moderate sets of quantitative and categorical data, allowing viewers to easily identify patterns, trends, and distributions. Additionally, dot plots are often used to compare frequency counts across categories or groups. Because of their simplicity, dot plots are an excellent tool for initial data exploration and analysis, helping to assess the data spread and central tendency visually. They provide a clear overview without the complexity of other graphical representations like histograms or box plots, making them accessible and straightforward for summarizing data visually. What is bar graph? What are key takeaways of bar graph? Answer. A bar graph is a visual representation of data that uses bars to show the frequency or value of items. These bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. Bar graphs are effective for comparing the quantities of different categories. Key takeaways of bar graph: comparison, clarity, versatility. What are steps for plotting bar graph? Illustrate with the help of an example. Answer. Here is a simple example to illustrate the steps in plotting a bar graph. Example: plotting the number of pets owned by students. Step 1. Gather data. Example: number of dogs, cats, birds, and fish owned by students. Step 2. Choose an appropriate scale for the y-axis, number of pets. Step 3. Label each category, type of pet, along the x-axis. Step 4. Draw bars for each category. The height of each bar corresponds to the number of pets. Step 5. Label the graph with a title and label the axes to indicate what they represent. What is line graph? Give the steps for its plot. Answer. A line graph displays information as a series of data points connected by straight line segments. It's primarily used to visualize data that changes over time. Steps are mentioned below. What are key takeaways of pie chart? Give the steps for plotting pie chart. Answer. A pie chart is a circular graph that is divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportions. Each slice of the pie represents a category and its proportion to the whole. Key takeaways: proportions easily shows the relative sizes of parts to the whole. Visualization effective for displaying simple distribution data. Limitation not suitable for large datasets or datasets with many categories as it can become cluttered or confusing. Steps are mentioned below.